Welcome everyone, how is it going? How are you today? I hope you have an amazing time out here with Luna Classic price prediction for late 2023, aiming as usually to put things down in a rational way and make sure we're not going to sit on the wrong side of the picture when it comes down to our resources. Now, we are still doing great time with Luna, even though the retracement has been pretty much constant, like a bleeding format here, and the charts are having some good moments during the time I'm filming. So I'd like to dive into. Before we get into the topic, we have our daily videos, including the 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024. So if you want to keep in touch, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. At the same time, you can ask me any questions in the comments area. Don't forget that we have trading going around. There is the ability for you to join my trades, copy my trades, and participate in a done for you form. This is my current trade on BTC short, $38,000 profit, and we are putting it together on my trading spreadsheet. Option number one is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and the whole thing is pretty much outsourced. Now, option number two is on a monthly fixed fee, where you execute the signals and handle the process by yourself, we just deliver you the signals. You can find out more on our spreadsheet and trading page and look around the things on the corner, including about the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there looking to be serious around the crypto space and considering this as a great opportunity to reach financial freedom in the upcoming bull market. We're going to talk about these two things at the end of the presentation. Now, what's happening with Luna, folks? Terra Classic out here, daily candles. We have been struggling for the past couple of days. That's correct. But after you have been pumping like this, which is a wild thing, 13 days, you've been printing 301%. You've been touching major supply level. I've been discussing about it. And you've been having difficulties because the gap formed between the price action that is connected with a supply, and that's a force of resistance. You are forming a huge gap between the 20 days moving average and the time you are discussing, fighting, and meeting up with the resistance major pressure. That huge gap is most likely going to be filled up. It is getting itself attracted, and that's exactly what has been happening. So we've been touching the 20 days moving average without any successful reaction so far, especially on the daily candles. You got BTC going down these days. You have the whole market basically forming a decrease, a markdown as of time, and we're actually speaking through a process where the waters are sort of away dipping a little. Yeah, that doesn't mean we are not having and supposed to react from these levels of 15,000 for Luna Classic, which means that we're sitting on great golden pocket horizontal supports, which is fine, and you also have a level at 13,000, which represents a major demand. Now, of course, the current price action is at a large difference from the time we were at the top. But I've been telling you, 45% is right there on the table for the past 2 weeks. Luna Classic is a cryptocurrency which has the ability to deliver you numbers if you are handling the risk management correctly. Risk management process is one of the most difficult things to do when it comes down to trading, which is why the one-on-one coaching is necessary, which not only covers the chart strategies, how to understand the market, as well how to run the psychological thinking, but it also covers the importance and the way we have to work with risk management in terms of numbers, what kind of percentages, what kind of trades, and how to organize ourselves in a very, very efficient way. Now, that's it on the dailies, folks. I mean, we're looking forward to reacting at these levels and pushing it back to 20,000, even slightly above that. There's one thing that I wanted to share with you on the 4-hour candlesticks that are very important, and I'm going to take out this lines that I put together right here. Let me just, bear with me for a second. I want to make sure the charts are clear and visible. There's 200 days discussion very soon. 4-hour candlesticks, and the moving average of 200 days is a place where reaction is expected, right? So anything around this level, as you can see, is filled up with heavy buying pressure, especially coming from the moving averages, from the golden pocket, and from the demand area. It's the big guy out there that holds the structure. I mean, Luna Classic, obviously, it is a form of a pump and dump at the end of the day, but at the same time, sometimes it has the ability to deliver more than that. So for the ones that have enjoyed a great profits and maybe they have been dreaming about huge amount of money by having the markets continuously pumping without this kind of retracements, are unfortunately sitting on the wrong side of the picture when it comes down to the trading cryptos, because that's not how it works. The whole market, after every single movement into a direction, is basically needing to go in the other direction as well for the existence necessities. Otherwise, it would simply not exist. Great. Now, that's pretty much it where we are. Once again, this is a place of reaction as I'm filming. This is a place of 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, which cannot be lost. If this is lost, then it's going to be a problem for the future, which means that the altcoin pre-bull market movements that we're dealing with are going to have difficulties by, this specific supply area or the other supply area as well. If you lose basically the current supports, then you're going probably to do a double top or a higher low and then create a downtrending movement on the structure, right? So that's not going to be too fun. At the end of the day, there is still a lot of the room to make the profits out of this and make sure we keep Luna Classic safe, Terra Classic out here. Beautiful. That's pretty much all on the topic, folks. Just wanted to share with you and shout out on an update. Make sure to keep in touch, like the video and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of the presentations out there, episodes of daily, episodes of 100 price predictions. You can also join my trades if you think this is something for you. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, where we perform the trading for you. Things are running smooth and clearly you can see our performance, and you also have the ability to see the performance through videos of my trades that I've been posting around. As well, there is a live trade on $39,000. It's, picking up some great numbers. Now, what about the coaching and the education? Well, if you value basically the education and skills and the importance, then this is for you, especially if you are aiming for financial freedom in the upcoming bull market when it's going to intensify as well, dive into the accelerated phase. Then you need to know how to trade. Even these days, if you know how to trade, you're, instead of making your money that is going to sort of vanish away by not doing it correctly, is pretty much having the alternative of acting correctly from all the standpoints that a trader needs to perform. Now, this is intensive one-on-one with me live, where I'll take you by hand, share with you my screen, and teach you how to trade in a technical side, in a chart side, strategies, indicators, and everything that a trader needs to know, including the mindset side, psychology, risk management, including the performance on derivatives market, day trading, swing trading, position trading, full-time trader or part-time trader, it doesn't matter. We are making sure to fit the educational program on your needs. So that's pretty much all. I mean, you can watch the video for a detailed explanation on a jump on a free conversation with me where I can explain you even more. Ask me any form of a question, get in touch and engage. Take this crypto stuff seriously, guys. I mean, the way the bull markets are delivering, I don't think you see some other things in the space of finance these days. I mean, to have 20x, 30x on average for a guy that just starts out and is having a good time by trading correctly, I think is great. I mean, with a $5,000 or $10,000 or $3,000 or $1,000 starting budget, to end up on such levels is basically something that you can as well multiply with a leverage and have your 200x or 300x on the board by functioning on a 5x leverage is something that is just crazy. Now, that's it on the topic, folks. Once again, like the video, subscribe, and I'm looking forward